Dun 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 dun. Welcome back. It's your boy Jabbar. The title is not entitled, so let me show you. We're doing a platformer. Exactly. That's that. First, just remix my platforming resources. So just remix that or save that as a copy. First, go into player, and what's the most you could see in a platformer? Up and down, gravity. For me, it's that. Create a new block named jump and gravity. No. This jumping gravity with an input of jump height and gravity. Make sure run without screen refresh. We're gonna do a forever loop here with this thing. For the jump height, I'm actually gonna make it 12, and gravity is always negative. You'll see why after. Next, make speed y. Speed y variable. Here it is. Now let me show you. First, we're gonna control the gravity. You might want to get the level to be a sprite, not a backdrop, so that you can be easily faster. Yeah. Change speed y by negative. No, like gravity. And then change y by speed y. It's the gravity. Oof. As you can see, it's not even touching anything to stop. So, wait a bit. Here we go. And just set the y variable to this thing. Now it's good. It's good now. But what you need to do next is create a block and call it back up. And then just remember, run without screen refresh. And then repeat until not punching two of these colors, the ground colors. I'll put an OR and sensing block called touching color. First the brown, and then the green. But remember, repeat until touching color. If we're down to this bottom, we're touching it already. We're not even backing up. Then we'll need to do a knot like this and change y by -1. Let's just see. Oh, it's working absolutely not fine. Why? Just look at this. The speed y doesn't even reset. So that's why it's falling over. Okay. This is the plan. No? Why run without screen refresh? What's the problem here? Change y by -1. Oh, I got it wrong. Just like this. Now we need to get more impressive with the jump. It's actually pretty easy. It's just a sensing block and an F, and then just set speed y variable to jump height. And that is the thing. But just look at this. It's a rocket jump. We'll solve that later on the video. Next, we'll need a left and right movement. Left and right movement. Oops. And speed resist. Okay. Remember not to run without screen refresh. Speed is gonna be definitely 1. And resistance is 8. 1.8. Exactly. 0.8. And then a new variable. Name it speed x. First off, let's just reset those variables because we don't need to rush. Next, we'll do kind of a little bit like this. Okay. We need to do a little bit of this. When key arrow right pressed, then just change speed x by speed. But if the left arrow, change it by negative speed. And copy this thing down. But the left. Look at this. It's just like that. But why can't I move? Why? Because look at this. Because this thing doesn't have a change x. So let me just add it a bit. Speed equals 1, and this thing equals 0.8. That was my fault. And then we'll move change x on the top. Change x by speed x. And then remember at the end to be a set speed x to definitely speed x multiplied by resist. Let's see how it turns out. Oh, the resist is too big. Let's make it speed 3. Is it going to work? It's working probably. Look at this. But remember the rocket jump? Look at this. I don't like that because we're not ninjas. Let's just make this more interesting. With probably jump limit. I'll name that there, and jump limit equals not just yet. 0 is not just yet. So we'll do that. Then set jump limit to 1. When back up, we'll need to set jump limit to 0. Now, there goes no the rocket jump. No to the rocket jump. Let's just make this 14 to make it more comfortable. Look at this. We already have the basics, but let's just edit the level a bit to see what our problem is here. The problem has arrived. What if we do this? A bit of editing, and here we go. Our problem, it doesn't collide with the wall. So now we know what to do. Literally, in this thing, we're gonna go for a back. One without screen refresh. Back? Definitely the back has needs something. Okay. Now we'll do this. Speed x. If speed x is bigger than 0, then repeat until need to copy this and where is it? No, not the color. Now we use something different. Touching level. Because this is a level. It is a sprite. So, no matter. If touching, repeat until not touching the level is change x by -1 because the speed x is bigger. If not, then we do 1. And voila. What? Oh! Don't even forget this. Back. And voila. we have solved it. But just look at the clip way back then. Look at this. We could just head bump it. Now this is the problem. Now we'll just edit back up a bit here and set it to dy. And probably back up 1. Because, well, you'll know quickly. Here. See? Set speed y to 0. So when we bump, if speed y is bigger than 0, then back up -1. Because that's where we're jumping. Look, problem fixed. Just look at this. So comfortable. Be sure not to miss out the next episode. Just click save now. And it's done. Voila. See you on the next episode.